It's Philip at Trade Genius. All right, we've got the Ethereum fork coming up in a few hours. I'm going to show you how you can monitor that and also the price action, how that's going to be affected. All right, so let's dive into this video and check that out.
Trade Genius.
Guys, real quick plug here. We've got a few hours left on our President's coupon code. President's, you get 40% off any individual item. So if you're interested in just getting in the room with us and getting in on those awesome binary and crypto signals, you can go to Signal Service, click on cryptocurrencies, and then you'll get 40% off these either monthly or yearly packages. Otherwise, you can choose one of our special bundles. All right, guys, so check that out. Okay, so I'm going to put the link in the description here, but amberdata.io basically has the countdown on the Ethereum fork. This is the Constantinople and St. Petersburg upgrade. So at the block here, 7,280,000, approximately 3 hours, 4 minutes from this recording on February 28th. This right now is about 11:45 a.m. Eastern time. That's when this is going to fork over. So that's the confirmation countdown. Again, I'll put that in the description. If you're seeing this video after that, you can still come here and confirm that had happened. As far as price action, let's take a look at what happened last year. So last year, October, actually it was 2017, excuse me. October 16th, 2017 was the last upgrade fork. And Ethereum basically ran up into that and then sold off after it. So kind of like a buy the rumor, sell the news type of thing, right? And then it consolidated and then we started to move up. This is similar in the Bitcoin and Litecoin halvings in that it's a thirding. So they're going to cut the miner reward by a third. So we do have a deflationary aspect to this. Again, those are very, as far as cycles go, those are very bullish. You do keep in mind though that this Ethereum fork was right in the midst of a pretty decent bull run. In fact, a pretty gigantic one. And it got even more bullish after the fork with Bitcoin driving most of the market at that point. So just keep that in mind. Now, if we fast forward to today, we saw kind of a similar run up. We did get a big dump, but again, this is, now the market is largely tethered to Bitcoin's price movements, right? So, but because you do have that deflationary aspect of it, there is a tendency for things to move. So I would not be surprised to see some more sideways action, and then we start seeing another run up. So folks with our indicators and things like that, be looking for after that fork and we get some chop, look for those signals on the daily and then crank down to those smaller time frames and like a 4 hour, and then try to pinpoint an entry there. But I do think there's a decent chance that we do see some sideways to down type move, and then we start to see up. Keep in mind, Bitcoin still has gaps to fill. It tried to fill the lower gap earlier. Not quite though, by about $30 or $40. And it also has a gap above. So market forces with that are still in play. And I think largely that will affect the alt markets as well. But again, overall, I think because of the deflationary aspect, at some point, we're going to see this thing make another move higher. And I think ultimately hit this 200 period moving average on the daily, which currently is at about $172. Right now, we're trading at approximately 135. So a pretty decent upside potential there. And I think that's what we're probably looking to shoot for. All right, guys, well, that's it for this video. Again, Ethereum hard fork coming up here soon. Lots of upgrades to the system, better scalability. So those are positives for Ethereum in that regard, barring any bugs or lockups on that block. So just keep tabs on that, and I'll post the link to that countdown block website. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.
Trade Genius.